Hello everyone, today we're going to go through the steps needed to fix this installation corrupted error when installing octo4A on your Android device. This didn't work on my S3, but it did work on my Note 8, as you can see here. Let's get it. Now before you get started, make sure you go to this website so you can just copy and paste everything. I'll have the link in the description. Start off with setting up your SSH login. If you don't, this happens. It just keeps putting you back in this login. You can do this by going to your phone in Octopi settings and check enable SSH. Put a password for your root login and then use either command prompt terminal, but I use my browser on my computer to connect to my phone using my IP to my router. And you gotta add :5002 at the end. For some reason, this is the only way it worked for me. I should mention that this is the second try I'm trying this. And the first time I let my phone disconnect by letting it fall asleep, so make sure you keep your phone awake. When you're connected, you should have a bash screen. Now copy the command in step 5 and paste it on the bash screen. Make sure you let it finish doing its thing before moving on. It's amazing how Jano952 says they're a noob but managed to come up with this fix. All the credit to Jano952. And look at me, I had to look up how to paste in the bash screen. I'm the noob. Noob. As you can see here, it says running. Otherwise, it'll say stopped. And if it does say stop, you gotta start over and do this again. Time lapse. Next, copy the command in step 6 and paste it on the bash screen. Let it do its thing. And on to step 7, make sure you copy the command and paste it in the bash screen. It will ask you this time if you want to overwrite a file, and you're going to want to press A, enter, and it should overwrite the file the way it's instructing you to do in step 7. I've read a few people saying that they got stuck in step 7, and if you do get stuck, you do have to start all over again, and the second time it should work. Alright, step 8, the last copy and paste. Copy the command and paste it in bash. Make sure you start from CD all the way to the period and paste it in bash. Let it do its thing, and when it's done, you'll see that bash screen again. You know it. Finally, force stop your octo4A app. There's a few ways to do this. I went to my phone settings, apps, Octoprint, and click force stop. Open it back up and you should have, or you should not have, a broken heart. If you do, do it again. It will work. Like I said, I had to do this twice. Ta-da! It worked! No broken heart. Credit goes out to Jano952 from the GitHub community. You rock. This is my first of hopefully many videos. I just got into 3D printing and taking a long journey of learning and tinkering with the 3D printer. If you found this helpful, please rate, comment, and subscribe. This is I Printed It. Make it real.